Have you ever thought about where your t-shirt or dress came from? It didn't just appear by itself. There's a big textile world behind it. Let's see how clothes are actually made. Usually, there are 12 main steps. Number 1. Fiber production. Natural and synthetic fibers are made. Number 2. Spinning. Fibers are turned into yarn, thread. Number 3. Fabric production. Weaving/knitting. Yarn is woven or knitted into raw fabric, called gray fabric. Number 4. Processing. Dyeing, printing, finishing. The raw fabric is dyed, printed, and finished. Number 5. Fabric inspection quality check. The fabric is checked for quality. Number 6. Cutting. Fabric is cut into garment pieces using patterns. Number 7. Sewing. The cut pieces are sewn together to make clothes. Number 9. Finishing. Clothes are ironed, trimmed, and tags are added. Number 8. Garment inspection. The finished clothes are checked again. Number 10. Packing. Clothes are packed in boxes or bags. Number 11. Shipment. Packed clothes are shipped to buyers. Number 12. User. Finally, we buy them from stores and wear them.